Hi everyone, let's talk today about our throat chakra. Always allocated, obviously, and another name is Vishudha. This is one of the highest chakras, so it's working a little bit more complicated, or may I say interesting. So let's talk about it. It is associated with color blue, and you can see over there how I expressed my viewing on this chakra, and in description will be linked to my another channel where I'm painting and chakras tutorials available for you. You can join if you wish. And this chakra is interesting because it's helping us expressing ourselves. And expressing, it's not only about talking or singing. It's also about expressing others, our chakras. So, for example, creativity, one of the biggest abilities that humankind have, and it is located on throat chakra. But at the same time, this energy coming from our lower chakra. I give you some moment to remembering what exactly. So I'm talking about Svadhisthana chakra or sacral chakra, because actually the energy for creation coming from the chakra, going up to our Vishuddha and expressing. And we want to create art, we want to create even community, we want to create something. At the same time, you can notice, for example, in English, there is a saying in English, you should speak up for yourself. And usually it means protect yourself and stand up for yourself, but not from a physical level, but for the level communication level. So in this case, we are talking about expression our solar plexus chakra through throat chakra. And another obvious thing that you know, but sometimes when we want to express that we care about something, that we're in love with somebody, that we want to take care of somebody, so that feelings are coming from our heart chakra, we also express it through our throat chakra. So it is amazing how deep it is, and I'm letting you this ability to think yourself what else we are doing and express on some energy creating and existing on another levels, but expressing through our Vishudha chakras. So in our another topic in our society, it's really popular to talk. So kind of not struggling with this. Actually, it's happening in the opposite situation, because we are talking too much. And in this case, you may also notice when people talking too much, the sense of the words are losing. They became empty. Also, if you're thinking from energy perspective, that energy is existing. If you are moving yours too much or trying to express too much, it's empty. You don't have too much to express. You have only that amount of energy that's available for you at this point of time. It's really interesting how it's working. So I'm letting you think about that a little more and notice and higher chakras exactly that point of time that you need to think about the understanding what exactly happening. So noticing these nuances in communication, in your communication, how you communicated to other people, how other people communicated to you. So really letting you work on this yourselves and just explore what else is going on. Also, really interesting topic when we are talking about language. Also expressing through our throat chakra, our ability to communicate with some people. The languages plural, obviously, were created a lot of different places and people learning how to communicate yourself. So you can understand that through the history, humankind developed our throat chakras to the level when we can communicate different languages, when we can learn different languages. And definitely this is so rich topic to think about. But I think it is already on another chakra. We'll talk in another next video. So what else? Communicate, creating, expressing, and definitely not only this, because throat chakra also collecting energy, not only expressing but collecting information, collecting expressing energy from another people. So it's not only out, but obviously it is in. So really interesting that on the throat chakra also we are connecting the dots. We're connecting information. We are not thinking how this will work after these dots connected, because this is going as this task for an our higher chakra, our third eye chakra, but on this level we are definitely connecting information. So this person said this and this person said that, and actually how this work together. But not only what is growing from this connection, this information, but it's connecting with the point we are feeling and getting connection between. Put it this way. It's really interesting chakra. So again, if we're talking about the painting, it's also trying to express yourself through their painting, through their choosing colors, through their choosing forms and shapes and so on. So actually it is really great to walk through your stress, for example, with creative ideas, how it works. So energy that's stuck in our other chakras, moving through our throat chakra and expressing. Yes, it doesn't mean that you don't need to work on your patterns, stereotypes, behaviors, stereotyped behavior. It doesn't mean that you don't need to work on your lowest chakras, but it does mean that you can use your throat chakra, your expression, your creativity to work with this energy to help to work this on another level. I hope this makes sense. So for me, especially if we're talking about how, which level is now, it's humankind, this our possibility to create and communicate. It's really interesting how this is helping us to work with stress or other energy blocks on other chakras. It's really interesting. The color is blue, light blue, sky blue, and definitely try to find out maybe some kind of stones that can help you with this. I'm not suggesting anything because it really depends on you. Especially, as I said in previous video, it really connects with our other chakras. We're not only one chakra at the same time, so it's really individual. So try to find yourself what is working for you. If we are talking about the food, try to find something blue. I don't think that you can find a lot of options, but for me, with throat chakra, really important to drink nice, good, clear water. And at this point, really important, air that we are breathing in. Really important. And in this point, obviously, really important that you're not smoking, because anything, any chemicals as they go through your throat chakra, really poisoning it. Obviously, I'm not suggesting anything. This is not a medical advice for sure. It's just my understanding of what energy works. Also, Vishudha Chakra, it's chakra of creation. So really interesting how you are creating your food, how you're cooking, the process, when you enjoy the process, and this small cooking, for example, and this moment your Vishuddha and Svadhisthana chakra can work together to your sacral and throat chakra. And really nice when you can place food nice on a plate, and working with decoration, your place where you're eating. I believe this really happened with your Vishudha chakra. Obviously, if you're looking at people who are getting good, you can get good energy from them on Vishudha chakra. Usually they're nice they're dressed up. It's not about expensive dress up, but it's nice. So colors combined, or if it's not combined, it's sometimes people wearing colors that it's not combined, but it looks great together. It's kind of amazing. So when you see somebody like that, you need to understand that this person definitely in contact with your throat chakra energy. Also, throat chakra, it's air. So again, breathing techniques will help to work with energy if you're talking about hatha level. And again, with high chakras, for me, it's more about meditation already. So, breathing techniques when you are controlling your breath in, breath out, and meditative, connecting the dots, first of all, how things connected. And again, it's a lot about colors for me, at least colors and colors combinations. So look at this direction if you want. Also, one of the techniques that I notice, when you are not getting enough energy on your throat chakra, you can improve this by placing a kind of object on your throat. If we are talking about what exactly, it can be scarves, it can be a nice jewelry, it can be nice something around your neck that can be nice, getting attention from other people on your throat chakra. And this way you can chakra get a little bit more energy, because as you remember, all our chakras connected and we are not alone. And this way, when people will pay attention to your throat chakra, this way they will give you a little bit energy boost. So this kind of a little bit of different type of information. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn more about that, and definitely explore your Vishuddha or throat chakra. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next one. Bye!